If you're experiencing a sync error on Google Calendar, you can follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Here is how to get your calendar back in sync. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause sync errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Update Google Calendar app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Google Calendar app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for Google Calendar, and update it if necessary. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve sync issues. Go to your device's settings, find the Google Calendar app, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app afterward. Step 4. Re-add Google account. Sometimes, removing and re-adding your Google account can fix sync errors. Go to your device's settings, remove your Google account, and then add it back again. Make sure to sync your calendar during the setup. Step 5. Check sync settings. Ensure that your sync settings are enabled. Open the Google Calendar app, go to Settings, select your account, and make sure the sync option is turned on for your calendar. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the sync error on Google Calendar quickly. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.